This is the Flashark car LED light strips. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual, the power lead, cigarette lighter plug, has a switch on it on the back right there, to a barrel jack connector. That's going to plug into this box here. There's the connector right there, and that runs out to the light strips. And each one has its own separate wire, so you can run them to where you need. Typically you're going to put this in your car like under the dashboard so it lights up the floor, and under the back seat so it lights up the floor well in the back. Also includes an RF remote control. However, it is also app controllable through your phone using the HappyLighting app. Now, just to demonstrate here quickly, I have this jump pack that has the cigarette lighter connection. It's a lighted switch, so that's a nice touch. And I want to just run through the remote with you quick. You have your color selection right here. As you see, 8 different colors. There's different fade and flash modes, 4 different music modes. When you are in a solid color mode, you can use the up and down buttons here to control the brightness of it, brighter or dimmer. And when you are in the different flash modes as such, the effects that it does raise and lower the speed of that. And that's basically how that works. So let me give you a quick demo of what it can do, and then we'll get into the app. And of course later I'll take this out to the car. So just to give you an idea of what it'll do, we'll go ahead and turn it on. So this is red. You can see that's bright, and we can make it dimmer. Okay, so there's your lowest and highest brightness. As you see, I'll go through the different colors. And the flash mode. So we'll start with this first one, and like I said, the speed of that can be adjusted, or we can make it faster as such. Here's the next flash mode, and the next, and the last one. Now there's music mode. So you can see that as I speak it changes colors like that, and of course if we had real music going on, so if I just tap on this, you can see that's what it would do. The flashing you're seeing there is when you press a button on the remote, it flickers like that. And this is the next music mode, just to give you an idea. That's real trippy there. Here's the third one now. So this kind of does a red, green, and blue as such. And the last mode kind of stays on and switches colors between that. And just to give you an idea, here is the app here. You can select your different colors as such. This hooks up Bluetooth. As far as setup, you download the app. I turned the strips on with the remote, the handheld remote, and I went in the app and it showed up. If for some reason it doesn't, you can hit the hamburger menu and it'll show the device right there, and then you can set it up if you need or anything like that, and then we can go from there. You can select any color you want as you go around the color wheel as such. You can see how it changes like that. And you can select any color, and you can also adjust these different colors as such as well. And when you tap on them, of course, like there's blue, it's blue. It's easy enough to figure out. So you do have the app control as well. So now we're going to take this out to the car, and I'll put a couple of them in just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Obviously I'll wait till it's dark out for the best effect. And that'll wrap this up. Alright, here we are at the car at night, and we'll turn it on. That's pretty cool, you gotta say. Now again, I'll just show you, you can dim that down. That's the dimmest right there, and the brightest. We'll run through the different colors. So just like that, you can see the different colors that you have available. I'm also going to show you with the light in the car on, just to get the idea of that, although this is what you'd be seeing actually driving. I just want you to see what it would look like. Now, I do have a pretty bright dome light in this car, yet the effect is not totally lost at all, even with that, so that's really pretty cool there. So let's get into the flash modes. I'll shut the dome light again. Alright, first mode, and again, you can slow this down to really slow if you wanted, or up to that fast. This would be the next slowest, and that's still pretty fast there. We'll leave it on that setting. Here's the next flash mode. You get some other colors, and again, that can be slowed down or sped up. And this is the next mode, so it kind of fades. That's pretty nice. And here's the last mode. And I like this one the best, especially on the fastest speed. I don't know, I really like that. That just constant color changing. I think it's great. Now we're going to test the music mode out. For that, I'm going to get in the car, and unfortunately I'm going to have to play some copyright-free music. I don't listen to that stuff in the car or at home, but unfortunately for online media, it has to be that way because everybody's greedy. But at least you won't base whether or not you like the product on the kind of music I play, because nobody likes copyright-free music. So there you go. This is on the first music mode right here, and let me crank it up here. I'll just put you in this footwell here. See, with the music quiet, you get an occasional flash. We'll crank it up. And now we'll go to the next music mode. Crank that a bit. Here's the next one. And this is the fourth one now. And if we turn that down, so yeah, that's definitely pretty cool, you gotta say. I wish we had stuff like this years ago when my car was decked out like this, but it's definitely pretty cool without a doubt. So once again, this was the Flashark car LED light strips. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find this item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.